Yo, what's up guys, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a dark grunge or opium style effect in After Effects. Starting off, I'm gonna right click right here, go to new, and make a new adjustment layer. And then I'm actually gonna drag in signal, go to lumen modulation right here, turn off tape errors and put emulating VHS on VHS long play, and we're just gonna keep all the normal settings right here. I'm gonna click that off. For the next effect I'm gonna add is S_etching. So go about right here, then drag it in. It's gonna start giving this nice and opium grunge effect right here. Then I'm actually gonna leave the standard settings right here. Next, I'm gonna go right here to our effects. Then I'm gonna add the final effect, which is gonna be low. Then I go to my threshold right here. I put it at 49. Then go to our radius right here and put it at 76. Then I'm gonna close that out, save our project, and apart from that, guys, it's a very short tutorial today. I would appreciate if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I upload around 3 to 4 times a week, based off editing tutorials. With that all out of the way, make sure to keep on working hard, chase your dreams, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay creative and peace out.